Hi, I'm Helen from eSpares. In this video, I'll be replacing the door hinge on an AEG washer dryer. Now the door hinge can get damaged by being overextended or being pushed or pulled down. This will stop the door closing properly. The only tools we need for this job are a set of Torx head keys, which can be found on the espares.co.uk website. I'm going to start by removing the door. The door hinge is attached to the machine from the inside, so we need to get behind the door seal to unscrew it. So to do that, we have to remove this retaining band, which is clipped into place, and then pull the door seal away from the machine. I'm now going to unscrew these screws and remove the door hinge. Now if you make sure you hold the hinge from the inside so that it doesn't fall down. Okay, so I'm just removing the last screw here. And then to get it through the gap, I need to close the main part of the hinge and feed it through. And that's the old hinge removed. So we need to remove the hinge cover plate from the old hinge and put it on the new hinge. And then we need to put the new hinge in. Now to do this, to make it easier to get it through the hole here, we want to close the main part of the hinge but leave the smaller part open. So that's this part here. Once this is in place, we just need to screw it back on. And that's the new hinge in place. I just need to replace the door seal. And replace the door seal retaining band. Click that into place. And then I just have to replace the door. There we go. That's the door hinge replaced. Spare parts for all makes and models of washing machine can be found on the espares.co.uk website. Thanks for watching.